Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin credentials and a recent system restore point. Start now. First, export the registry branches you'll change so you can restore them if needed. Once done, open an elevated command prompt, right-click, choose Run as Administrator, because the next steps require system-level privileges. Make sure antivirus won't quarantine utilities. If it interferes, temporarily disable it. You're preparing for direct policy edits and safe rollback, not making risky changes without a fallback. You'll now change the policy that disables Regedit. If Group Policy Editor exists, go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and set Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools to Disabled or Not Configured. Once done, force an update with gpupdate/force in an elevated prompt so policies take effect immediately. If gpedit is unavailable, apply a precise reg file with reg.exe or usesedit to import a clean policy. Make sure no domain policy immediately reapplies the block. You should now launch Regedit and confirm you can navigate and modify keys. If you can't, reboot to ensure policy refresh. If the device is joined to a domain, the only permanent fix may require the domain administrator to change the group policy. Try disconnecting from domain only if allowed. If edits cause issues, import your exported registry backups or boot into safe mode to reverse changes. One troubleshooting tip: use Event Viewer to identify policy refresh errors that indicate why the block persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.